In this video, I will show you how to switch to a professional account on Instagram. Now, the first thing to do is to tap on the profile icon right here and then click on the three lines on the upper corner. You just have to scroll down and click on account type and tools right here. Now you just have to tap on switch to professional account. Now you just have to hit continue. Now it doesn't really matter how you answer these categories right here because the main objective we have is to switch your personal account to a professional account. Now let's say here, you can choose between creator or business, so just have to hit continue. And that's how you switch to a professional account on Instagram. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.